Welcome to a new series we're going to call Is It Worth It? Should I point? Is it worth it? Yeah, okay. In this series of videos, we're going to be talking about a bit of gear that we're either loving or hating, and stick around to the end to find out how you can get involved in future videos. So headphones are one of the most crucial bits of gear that you own, but they're often overlooked for cheaper options because people think they all do the same thing. Today we're going to talk about the most popular pair of studio headphones and whether or not they're worth it. Subject of our interrogation this week are the Technica ATH-M50X headphones. So we've had these headphones for a couple of months now, and every time we pop them on in the studio, they've done nothing but impress us, whether it's for an edit, for live audio monitoring, or even just to listen to the soothing sound of our own voices.
There's a quick, easy way to find out whether your skin tones are right or not. So let's get straight into it. So I have my imported clip.
But jokes aside, if you read up on these headphones anywhere online, you'll see that they're constantly praised by top audio engineers for their amazing sonic performance. To be honest with you, these are by far the highest quality and the most dynamically balanced headphones that we've ever worked with. Spec-wise, they have large aperture 45mm drivers and a frequency response from 15 to 28,000 Hz. The reason they're so good as a monitoring headphone is their dynamic balance results in uncolored audio. So what that could be seen as is similar to looking at footage that's been shot with a flat color profile. So they're good. They're really good. Where they outshine the competition even more is where thought's gone into their design and long-term usability. So these headphones are insanely comfortable thanks to them being small and lightweight, and we found ourselves wearing them for hours without a single problem. And they also come supplied with 3 different kinds of cable: a long one, a short one, and a coiled one. So you can choose your cable depending on your work environment. This also means that unlike your favourite pair of headphones that are on the way to the bin, you can just swap out the cable when this one goes and keep on listening. They're also fully collapsible, they come with a little travel bag, and they come in a choice of colours. So the big question is, are these headphones worth it? And the obvious answer, if you've watched this video and not just skipped ahead, is yes. 100% worth it. If you need some headphones for long-term use, whether it's professional or personal, definitely invest in these. We couldn't recommend them more. So this brings us on to the end section of our video, something which I mentioned earlier on. Over the last couple of weeks, we've been asking you on social media and on Reddit what you guys think of these. We're gonna go through some of the responses at the end, but keep an eye on our social media and our Reddit. We're gonna be posting a new product every week before we do the video, and you guys can tell us what you think and get involved, because we'd love to know what you think. But that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and let's look at some comments, shall we? And subscribe.